other issue is where there's negative reporting and all that, we resolve that, we are going to take that up. And we want fair treatment, even more than fair treatment, because they are the governing party, and the TV stations have no right to be negative towards us, and always either not reporting on our activities, or just continuously branding us in a negative way. And we agreed at the NWC that there will be a team of comrades who are going to be watching this space all the time, and making sure that we do take networks up.
Uthini umbono wakho ngale nkulumo eseputshukile kaRamaphosa? Ngabe kuhle noma kubi?